When working with sounds, you begin to realize that a lot of waveforms look uniquely different from one to another. So if we just peruse this particular session, you begin to see that different parts and different tracks have very distinct looks in terms of their waveform. Here we're looking at the kick drum. And if we slide over, we'll see a snare drum. And there are elements that do define them, that do look uniquely the same, and elements that make them uniquely different. The clap also shows signs of unique differences. Those three peaks would indicate that the clap is built upon a series of actual attacks. If we were to look at more elongated instruments in this session, such as this pluck, you'll also see that there aren't that many instances where we see this flat line 0 in the middle of a performance.